Welcome to another episode of Absolute Talks with Jack and Conrad.
In previous episode, we discussed how to restore a hybrid in an analog workflow. Today, we're going to discuss how to restore a hybrid using a digital workflow and prototyping.
So when the patient shows up to the restorative clinician with a well-converted, diagnostically driven temporary hybrid,
That'll give the restoring clinician a great starting off point that they can use to work towards prototyping.
Yep. So you remove the transitional hybrid that was converted at surgery stage, place some scan flags, and then scan that hybrid on the bench, effectively digitizing the data.
Right.
Put it back in the patient's mouth, scan the opposing, scan the bite, and then simply send that STL file to Absolute Dental.
Once we receive it at Absolute, we'll go ahead and create a phase 2. A phase 2 will become our future master record, gathering all the information that we need, such as midline, tooth arrangements, bites, vertical, and it'll become our master impression as well.
So the first thing you do is place this little phase 2 in pieces, make sure they're not touching interproximally, and then glue it together.
Yes.
Check the bite, look at aesthetics, midline, incisal edge position, take some pictures, and then flow some PVS material into the intaglio surface.
A light body material works great.
And effectively what we'll do is then take that phase 2 and use that for your transitional prototype.
Yes, once received back in the laboratory, the completed and luted together phase 2, we'll go ahead and pour a master cast impression from that. We'll also utilize it to mount the case and as a pre-op for our design phase for your prototype.
So basically with your third appointment, you will get a prototype for a final try-in. We can either do a high aesthetic prototype or a printed prototype. Once we get approval from the patient for that process, we go straight to final.
There's not much more to it.
We are very excited to walk the journey of restoring your next hybrid with you.
Contact us anytime at jack@absolutedentalservices.com,
Conrad at absolutedentalservices.com,
absolutedentallab.com.
and we will talk to you soon.
Stay safe and stay healthy.